Hey friends, if the theme keeps changing on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now I'll tell you something. You may feel that the theme is changing, but it's not actually the theme. It is the wallpaper and other designs associated with it. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. So personalization on the list on the left hand side. Now select any one static theme here, this one, any one theme, and it will fix your problem. But here's the thing, also go to the background tab and make sure that it is not selected at Windows Spotlight. Otherwise, it will keep on changing the background. Simply select it at picture and select this picture, the blue one or any other one static picture. And similarly, go to themes and make sure that you have selected the static theme here. Okay. Otherwise, if you select this theme, okay, so this is the Windows Spotlight dynamic theme. This will keep changing the theme. This means that the theme has to keep changing. You can select the black theme or any other static theme. This is the real resolution to it. The solutions on other channels are not as effective, are not effective at all. They are a totally different thing. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.